পূজা, অষ্টমীর পুজো শুরু হয়ে গেছে। আর 11টা সাড়ে 11টার মধ্যে মনে হয় অঞ্জলিটাও দিতে করে, সেটা করবো আমি আর বাবা আর মা যাবো। আর তোমাকেও দেখাবো যে আমাদের প্যান্ডেলের ঠাকুরটা কেমন হয়েছে। তোমরাও আমাকে জানিয়েছো তোমরা কাল সপ্তমী কেমন করে কাটিয়েছো, আর আজকে তোমাদের কী কী প্ল্যান আছে, তোমরা কোথায় কোথায় ঘুরেছো, কোন ঠাকুর তোমাদের সব থেকে বেশি ভালো লেগেছে। অ্যান্ড ফর অল দোজ হু আর celebrating Navratri, then go ahead and also comment down in the section below and let me know that how you are spending your Navratri. This dress I will just show you once what I also plan to wear sari today because it is Ashtami. Ar ami sari khojar jonno I find reasons actually to wear sari because every girl they look gorgeous in sari. So irrespective of that, being a Bengali and today is a Bengali festival and Durga Puja is one of the most important and one of the biggest festival of the Bengalis. So I will be wearing that, but right now since I will be just going to my street pandal and doing the puja and aarti eventually, so I have wore this dress. And once I come back from there, I will do my brunch or lunch, whatever you say, because by the time I will come by doing Anjali, it will be around 12. And then I plan to go out to Markoni to visit that during the time of evening. It's like there is too much of rush, as I said. So I and my dad decided that we will go there during the daytime. And yes, I will not be able to see the lightings, but okay. Anyway, God is God. Pandal to sundor ache. So jai ho. So at that particular point of time, I will be wearing sari and do wait and watch till the end to see what I wore in the sari and how I mismatched things. So till then, stay tuned and I will take you once I go to the pandal. You can see the weather. It's not that sunny, not that hot, but yes, the weather. So I've come to the terrace. I will pick all the clothes which are washed, and then already today's lunch we have matar paneer, rice and dal. And matar paneer is without onion and garlic. So if you want to know the recipe of matar paneer without onion and garlic, then you can definitely visit my other channel Suprabha Poddar. For those who don't know, you can check the link in the description box. I will always provide the link, and I have all. You can go and check out the recipe over there, and also let me know that how many of you have paneer like this without onion and garlic. Pick up all these clothes and we'll then go have a lunch and we'll then get ready and we'll wear sari because অষ্টমী আর শাড়ি পরবো না এটা তো হতে পারে না, না বলো? আর আমাকে কমেন্ট করে জানিও যে যতই যে কোনো মেয়ে যতই ওয়েস্টার্ন কাপড় কেন না পরে, কিন্তু যখন অষ্টমী আসে আর যখন সরস্বতী পূজা আসে তখন যদি তারা শাড়ি না পরে তাদের দিনটা শেষ হয় না, রাইট? So we'll wear sari and we'll show how I'm looking, and also to let me know in the comment section how am I looking. So till then, stay tuned. ওয়ে টু আর হোম। আমাদের ঠাকুর দেখা হয়ে গেছে, মার্কনিরই ঠাকুর দেখা ছিল বিকজ মার্কনিতে এত ভিড় হয়। ফর দোজ হু ডোন্ট নো দ্যাট মার্কনি has got so much rush, so we decided to take this particular time to visit Marconi and have the darshan. I will share the photos obviously. So right now my dad has gone to take mishti doi, that is lal doi, আর একটু মিঠো আছে, লাল দই basically. So I'm waiting for him and then I will reach home. So I'm all just 2 streets behind my house. So anyways, and we'll meet you after getting up and taking rest. And also I have got interesting plan today in the evening, so let's see. Till then, stay tuned and hope you're liking this video. And if you are liking this vlog and other vlogs, then do hit the like button and also subscribe to my channel so that I can understand that yes, you are definitely liking this Durga Puja series and you're liking my vlogging of mixing English and Bengali, so that I will also then increase the vlog and I will not only make the vlog in English but also I will try to speak in Bengali and যাতে তোমাদের সবার শুনতে আরো ভালো লাগে আর তোমরা আরো ভালোভাবে আমার vlog enjoy করতে পারো. So till then, okay, so it is around 6:30 in the evening. I got up from sleep, I drank my green tea and I relaxed for a while, and now as I returned from Marconi at around 4 for half an hour. Within half an hour we went and we came back. So that is what if you go and visit Marconi during the daytime. So anyways, now I will get ready for meeting my friends and I will show you what I will wear once I dress up. So till then, stay tuned. Okay, so I'm all ready and this is what I'm wearing. This is my mom's saree and I love this. This is called Toshor Babdas type silk. I don't know, but it's very soft and it is very easy to handle. For those who think that they cannot handle sari, then this sari is a must. They should have this. With this I have paired my blouse, which I have already shown, and with this I have paired this locket type, which also has a earring. That's it. I have already these bangles and I will pair just with my watch. So that's all for and will show you once I go out and meet my friends and also the pandal. So till then, stay tuned. Hope you like it and do let me know in the comment section how I'm liking it. So till then, stay tuned. হাই করে দাও, টাটা করে দাও. Okay, so we all returned and this is what the condition of me right now. I met Shisha, I met Anuradha and yes, those who don't know, they are all my school friends. Okay, so that's all for today. আশা করি তোমাদেরও মহা অষ্টমীটা খুব ভালোভাবে কেটেছে আর আমাকে জানিয়েছে তোমাদের কেমন কেটেছে মহা অষ্টমীটা. So till then, stay tuned and hope you will love watching the Durga Puja series. So till then, bye bye.